It's MP, the Jamaican Greenface. Dog, me can't trust mankind. Them too wicked dog, bloodthirsty and bad mind. Can't trust people, mankind too wicked and evil. Dog, can't trust people, mankind too wicked and evil. 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 Yeah, you can't trust people, 'cause mankind wicked and evil. With no reason they want to take your life, just with vanity in a second. They want to take away your life. Your 3 pints, dog, them don't got no remorse. Your pocket is fit them fucking money source. Take them keep and rob till them take your life. Man shot them all, fuck off your wife, rape her. And you think at us that them a do, them rob out all of the money you did a save for your boy, yo. Mankind wicked and evil. Dog, they can't trust people. Mankind too evil. Dog, we can't trust people. Cause mankind wicked and evil. Dog, they can't trust people. Mankind too evil. That's why we can trust people. Mankind too evil. That's why we can trust people. Mankind too evil. That's why we can trust people. Them too cruel. Them use your pocket feed the blood clot fuel, feed them blood clot budget. Them not gonna stop plundering till them take your life. In at the process, then move on to another victim. Yeah, here's a little child start missing and some demanding. Got money be planting. Yeah, I be a fucking one in the place, but bro,